Thornbridge Manor, the Carlyle family's home for countless generations. The Revenant Alexa Carlyle and her 3 adult children, younger brother Zachary, grandson and daughter-in-law, are all gathered to conduct Carlyle's sham funeral. Curiously, Carlyle summoned a famous London PI soon after arriving this morning, but his purpose at Thornbridge is yet unclear. Now, the target knows that you're coming, and her guard detail is top-notch. So Mr. Gray will secure their nearby field HQ and intercept all calls going in and out of the estate. Any appeal for backup is going to fall on very deaf ears. Good luck, gentlemen.
Jesus H. Christ!
That is Phineas Whitmer, the famous private investigator hired by Madame Carlyle this morning. I'm curious why he's here. Maybe you should do some detecting yourself, 47.
You guys planning to give the whole grounds an overhaul?
I think so. A funeral is a big event, a lot of importance.
Huh?
Command, I just heard something. I don't know. I'm gonna go check it out.
Oh my God! Command, anybody there? Come in!
We got Hermanson! Hermanson, goddammit! You had one job! That's the guy!
the Fitzpatrick token you met at Carlisle's door?
Rebecca? Yes. She's insistent, that one. She kept asking all kinds of questions. Who had the other one? Why I gave it to her, that sort of thing.
Glad I wasn't when Madame Carlisle showed up this morning. I'm sure my heart would have jumped right out of my... What the hell? Ugh.
Any pulse?
Around, you're gonna have to be a bit more specific.
Head down! He ain't no amateur! Can't see him! I can't see him! Can anyone see him?
that?
Okay, who's playing?
Not the face!
I don't believe for a second that Zachary committed suicide. We'd only just run through his plan for the spring seedlings yesterday.
Sure. But he was upset.
Huh?
Whoa! I need help! Someone, please, help me! Okay. What the hell is that?
Taking out
No.
civilians.
You can't kill me!
Shit! I'm down!
Wake up! Oh my God! Is there anyone who can help? Please! Man, I think some bad kid is going down. Would you please go let me do it? Right away.
We don't have any...
Hey!
Oh, fuck!
Command, you there? Got a report. Anyone copy? Hey, we got more funny business coming. Keep your eyes open. All right, you son of a bitch. I ain't got time for this. Come out. Oh, crap! nests. What the hell?
Shit!
Madam Carlyle wants to inspect the arrangements for the staged funeral tomorrow. What's the delay?
Oh, for Christ's sake. Oh, no!
pacing, for God's sake, Emma.
But why don't we get any kind of explanation? It's bloody rude.
You need a
That's what it is.
mint, twat.
Making us come here to play few. And then show up like nothing. Least bit strange.
What the fuck?
What?
I'm getting help.
I need
Just
help.
you wait.
Please. Hey, you! Show up like nothing's the least bit strange.
Don't get your knickers all twisted.
Nice day for it, isn't it?
But he was such a gentleman. He gave me his coat and all.
Rosie, you need to forget about Patrick. No good's gonna come of it. Stick to your own kind.
You mean like Chris? He treated me like shit. All he wanted to do was play his stupid video games. Never any romance. I just want romance.
I need to stop thinking about Emma all the time, but she just makes me so angry.
What is it now?
She turned up and demanded to be put up in Madame Carlyle's bedroom. We're the new heads of the family after all. It is only fitting. Twice outrageous behaviour without.
On top of everything, Rosie thinks she's in love with young Patrick. I mean, that's a breaking heart happening if I ever saw one.
Life can be tough sometimes.
And that detective.
He did. Oh! Oh!
Oh, God. Oh, no. Oh. Come on, help. See and understood.
Hey, stay sharp. Got nothing. Copy, command. Still looking.
Oh, God. Hey, are you hurt? Oh. You're dead. Please, help me. So many dead. Oh, God. Someone's gone completely... berserk. you trying to hide from?
You heard me, and when you saw me, I was relieved that help had finally arrived. But you went down immediately and said, when a grown-up can do it, so can you, Edward. You are 5, and climbing trees is supposed to be your area of...
Hey, would you mind?
I've got nothing here. Must have been a rat or something. Wow. Hello? Someone there? Hello? Really? Really? Don't hit me!
What was that?
Why is that happening?
Yeah, hi.
Command, got a possible 517. Moving in to investigate. If anyone's there, identify yourself. Got some strange noises here. Looking into it. Over.
About a month.
Hey, is anyone there?
I don't like anything.
What about Rick?
Whoa. What in the...
Show yourself.
Okay.
Checking out some strange noises. Stand by. Oh, not in the mood for playing.
I'm not sure I know who you are.
Hey, you! Stop!
I believe.
In my own time, Gregory. I'll wait till everybody is here.
That's a token for a vault in the Milton Fitzpatrick London Bank. You need a pair. And you gain access, no questions asked. I bet that's where Madame Carlyle keeps a copy of the Edwards file. Who carries the other one, I wonder?
Right, let's get started. I want to keep this short. I know you have a lot of questions. Some I will answer now. The rest will have to wait. First, Zachary's sudden death is a great tragedy, but also a great inconvenience, as it happened just now. I'm dealing with the situation in a discreet and efficient way, and I expect your cooperation in all related matters. Secondly, the arranged funeral event tomorrow will take place as planned. No one can know that I am still alive. I expect you all to act your part. Last, as you all know, I have a lot on my plate and need to focus on sorting everything out, so please do not disturb me with your petty concerns. You are all adults, and as part of the elite, you will eventually have to deal with difficult situations like this. It comes late for most of you, but this is a chance for you to show what you are made of. That will be all.
The time has come. Execute Order 66.
What was that? Hey, mister! What do you think you're doing?
That's Madame Carlyle taken care of. Time to get the file on Arthur Edwards.
I'd suggest you put that away.
Why do I have to do everything?
Give the bastard a push.
I got him!
C2, this is Alpha 4 Axel. Over.
Damn it!
Somebody
I'm
shoot.
hurt!
You gotta check it out.
I'm under pressure here, guys! Help me!
This is Alpha 1 Axel. Barring me, let him know. Can't get away. Find it!
Mission complete. Well done, 47.
Hey!
Oh, what?
So swollen, it didn't even look like Zachary.
I've never.
Whoa! That's just evil! Please help! Oh my god!
Hello, this is Cassandra Cox, Edward's ex-wife. I don't know what's going on at your house, but Edward is leaving.
Hold on,
Aaron
hold on.
No. Oh, shoot! Hey, we need some help here. Please, go get some help.
Please don't. Oh!
Oh, by the way, I told Kate about those texts.
What did she say?
Hey, we need some help here. Please, just go and get some help.
I think he's out of ammo!
I know I'm not the only one, but I can't imagine nothing else. I see it every time I fall asleep. My body's aching, my head is hurting, my tummy's turning, my heart is racing, filled with ambition, I feel it burning. I want it back, got a plan, it's just kinda hard to word, it's all I need. More life for my Drake shit, and I'm getting tired of all the same shit. I wanna see my family, wanna see my friends. I've been slept on like my name says, and I'm pretty far from being famous, but I sure as hell ain't nameless. I just take aim, I ain't aimless, and I let it fly like a spaceship and just see where that goes. You can never be certain, but I know that it's worth the burden. Some things got me hurting, I can and can't see, but I know that it's fine, cause it's all that I need, all I need.
They heads is turning, my family earning, we found a purpose. I gotta get it. The clock is ticking, the talks and verses. I pick my word and my foot imperfect. I think it's working. Know you heard it curving, the flowing slurring. It's all in cursive. Y'all know me, no at me. Eating good, count calories. Music's all I have, like myself, and that's so sweet. I got cavities, always on for batteries. Play my song, they'll laugh at me. Nowadays they sing along, God bless, I got allergy. So sit with it, but can't catch me, couldn't live with it. Stay the same, but I been different. I'll kill the beat, the same, my pen did it. Been feeling indifferent, down myself. Hit sellings, read better than myself. Spend nights just trying to find myself. Yeah, and I'm gonna find myself. Say, all I really need is that castle. All I really need is this password. Fuck it, we on. Say, I just want my team to see cash flow. Wanna see our dreams become actual. Things we live out.